Good morning, everybody. This morning we're going to get a lift kit on here. Be back with you guys once I get there to let you get a final look over it. Alright guys, it's been a whole 24 hours since I last spoke with you guys. I am headed to pick up my truck now. Just got to get somebody to ride with me. So I'm going to my parents. Hopefully my dad will come with me and drive the Hummer. That way I can drive my truck. Be back with you guys when I make it to Linux. Alright, you guys. I have made it home with my truck. This is a rough country 7.5 inch lift. Remember, we are doing a budget build, so I will break down the amount that I paid for everything, including the price on the truck.
Daddy, I like this.
Surprisingly,
Dad,
it doesn't ride as rough as everybody made it seem that it would. Rough country with the upgraded struts, it's pretty good. Thanks for watching.